Hello everyone, how have you been? Let's make these irresistible Italian bomboloni. Soft, fluffy, golden donuts filled with delicious, creamy custard. Perfect for a sweet treat. Let's make these irresistible cream-filled donuts together. In a large bowl, add 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. In a large bowl, add 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon instant yeast. Mix everything well, add 1 egg, half a cup of warm milk, and everything comes together into a soft dough. Transfer the dough to a clean surface. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth, soft, and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover it and let it rest until doubled in size. Gently punch down the dough and roll it out. Cut into round circles using a cookie cutter or glass. Place the dough circles on a tray, cover them, and let them rise again. 30 to 45 minutes until light and puffy. Don't use very high heat. Let them cool slightly, then coat generously with sugar. Make a small hole on the side and fill each bomboloni with creamy vanilla custard or your favorite filling. And there you have it! Soft, fluffy, golden bomboloni filled with creamy goodness. Take a bite and enjoy this delicious Italian treat.